Here's a look at the Hyperkin Ranger Premium Wire Gamepad for the original Atari 2600 or Retron 77. It's a pretty small gamepad. It has both the joystick and a paddle control, and you can also switch the wire to either be left or right-handed. We're going to plug it in to the original Atari 2600. Let's pop in the Harmony Cartridge, and this will be really handy to be able to use the joystick or the paddle control without switching controllers. The controller is very responsive. Let's play Enduro, one of my favorite racing games. Now let's test out the paddle control and play Breakout. As mentioned before, this is the best part about using this controller. You don't have to unplug and plug in the paddle control. To do this, you flip the switch from S to P on the side of the controller. This works pretty well, not the same as using the original paddles, but it'll work. Overall, this is a very nice gamepad. If you have the Atari 2600, get it.